Meaning of disappear.
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 Disappear. The term disappear refers to the action of vanishing or ceasing to be seen or noticed. It can be used to describe physical objects or people that go missing without explanation, or abstract concepts or emotions that no longer exist or are no longer visible. The result of something disappearing is that it becomes untraceable and cannot be located or found without further investigation. This can cause confusion, concern, or even fear, as the circumstances surrounding the disappearance are often unclear and may suggest foul play or danger.